morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Veggie Week, day 2. Last night, I prepared saucy ginger sesame noodles with caramelized mushrooms. There's a funny thing about the recipe, the actual, there is no mention anywhere of mushrooms. Not in the ingredient list, not in the instructions. Fortunately, I had a little bit of forethought and purchased mushrooms anyway. I used about 8 ounces of baby Bella mushrooms. Started off with, I added some diced shallot. So I started with some ghee. I used ghee instead of oil. The shallot, the ginger, and the garlic, got them going. And then I added the mushrooms to that. And let that saute in the wok, the champion, for a little while, to get those, mushrooms going. Then I proceeded with the rest of the recipe. It's very pretty, very colorful. The sauce is very good. I will probably use this sauce and other things in the future. Everything I've done and changed is in the notes if you download the recipe. Okay? So today, day 2 of Veggie Week, I'm going from China over to India. Tonight is Masor Dal, also known as red lentil curry. Let's take a look. Super simple. No Dutch ovens, no woks, no champion. Just a simple saucepan and a crockery for the long grain white rice that I'm going to serve this over. And we have ghee, which some people think is actually clarified butter. There is a slight difference between ghee, traditional ghee, and clarified butter. The empty measuring cup represents the water for the dal, which is right below it, and these are red dal. Might get these at LA Merchandise. They're very reasonably priced. You can also get red dal and other dals in most of your upper bigger supermarkets. We got garlic, ginger, onion, tomato, chilies. This is some cilantro that I've already pre-chopped that I've been using. I don't know if I just keep it in the fridge with some plastic wrap over the top. It stays nice and fresh for several days. The spices, cumin seed. We start with some cumin seed. My garam masala, which looks like I need to make a batch. Some turmeric, la mirch, which is actually red chili powder out of India. Some cumin powder, ground coriander, a splash or 2 of lemon juice to give it some brightness. And of course, my long grain white rice. So here's the goodies for tonight's red dal curry. I've been looking forward to this week. As you know, I work 7 days a week. I'm always doing something. The last few days, I've really been concentrating on the Casual Chef website and the presence on the World Wide Web. Getting things going. The Urban Spice Blends are on sale for 20% off. Starting to get some orders, which is very nice. There's 29-ish Urban Spice Blends available. Okay, enough commercial. I hope you have a great Monday. And on this day, don't let the weather scare you. It's supposed to be nice here in Sutter County, California. It's going to be cloudy, but okay. But on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, have fun cooking.